My name is Dr. Hiren Yagnik. I am the Director and Chief Ayurveda Physician at Pratham Ayurveda Clinic in Ahmedabad. I am specialized in an ancient Ayurvedic diagnostic technique called Nadi Pariksha or pulse diagnosis. In traditional Ayurveda practice, a Vaidya or physician used to assess the pulse of the patient in order to reach the diagnosis. But there is no evidence or there is no proof for what the assessment is and how it is going to affect the patient. In simple words, you simply need to believe what your doctor is saying without any question or evidence. But in Pratham Ayurveda, we have revolutionized this approach, and now we are among the first clinic in Ahmedabad, and not only in Ahmedabad but in entire state of Gujarat, who uses specialized devices and softwares to assess the pulse of the patient and provide the patient with 10 pages Nadi assessment report. In that report, we not only highlight what diseases you are having as of now, but we can give you a picture about what diseases you may have in future depending upon your prakriti and the imbalance of doshas within your body. And not only this, in Pratham Ayurveda, it is our tradition to explain our entire approach towards your treatment that includes pathya, apathya, do's and don'ts, ritucharya, dinacharya and chikitsa sutra, that means the line of treatment to our patient. Transparency in treatment is our foremost guiding principle, and in order to achieve that standard, our pharmacy does not contain even a single unlabeled medicine. We keep our standards very high and we are very damn serious about that. Nadi is a representation of tridoshas in our body. So, in general terms, Nadi is a graphic representation of what balance or imbalance of tridosha is going on inside your body as of now. Tridosha, which means Vata, Pitta and Kapha, are basically our physiological energies. These three doshas are very essential for our survival as they act as a physiological energy in our body. But when they get imbalanced, their imbalance causes disease to set in. It sets the stage for the diseases. Till now, there was no technique available to actually quantify the balance or imbalance of these three doshas. But in our Nadi Pariksha assessment report, we precisely tells you what dosha, in how much quantity it is increased or decreased or got imbalanced. And not only this, we provide correction course for this. Like every dosha is related with certain qualities. Like Vata dosha is related to dryness. So when Vayu increases, dryness also sets in. So if we treat Vata dosha, we can control that quality. In our Nadi assessment report, we give complete list of these qualities which are associated with the different doshas and how to correct it. In a very customized way, specifically we provide entire list of what to eat, what not to eat, what asanas or pranayama is better for you, what exercise you should do, and even day-to-day schedule, that means dinacharya and ritucharya, which is a seasonal regime, we provide it in our Nadi Pariksha assessment report. Apart from this, for more information, you can visit our website, or you may subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or you can like our page on Instagram and Facebook, or you can directly contact us on our mobile number. Till then, thank you very much.